Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to download Afterpay application on your iPhone. So let's dive into the video without further ado. First of all, launch open your App Store and also make sure that your iOS device is connected to a stable internet. Once you are, go to the search box and type in Afterpay and search. Once you come across this application, tap on the Get button to begin downloading the app. Afterpay is a free mobile app that allows you to shop thousands of brands online and in-store and pay for your purchases over 6 weeks in 4 equal interest-free installments. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can launch it on and get started with it. So that's how easily you can download Afterpay application for your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.